Video will show you how to add a new buffer between the assemble machine and the inspect machine. Well, the first thing to do is to move on the right the inspect machine, because the new buffer will be between these two machines. Then the easiest option to add a new buffer is to duplicate an existing one. For example, you can select buffer tops, then right click on buffer top, and in the pull down menu select clone, and then click where you want to locate this new buffer, for example here. As you can see, a new buffer is created here on the simulation window. You can double click on buffer tops 01 and then change its name. Then you will rename buffer top 01 by buffer intermediate, for example. You can also change its capacity. Initially the capacity was 7 parts. Here you can say that this buffer has a capacity of 100 parts, and then click on OK. As you can see, the new buffer is now buffer intermediate. The next step is to change the output rule of the assemble machine. Double click on assemble machine, then on the detail wizard click on 2. Initially the assemble machine push to the inspect machine, so you have to delete inspect and replace by the new buffer. Then go to the element tree and double click on the new buffer, buffer intermediate, and then click on OK and OK. The next step is to change the input rule of the inspect machine. Double click on inspect machine. On the detail wizard go to from. Initially the input rule was wait. Delete wait and replace this rule by a new rule, which is pull from buffer intermediate. Double click in the element tree on buffer intermediate and then click OK and OK. Now you can restart your simulation, select the work mode and run the simulation to check if the buffer intermediate is well working. As you can see, the assemble machine push its parts to this buffer, while the inspect machine is working.